Then friends, so friends, today we are going to carry forward your syllabus as we have completed the theorems 6.6, 6.7, 6.8, which was Pythagoras theorem, and 6.9, which was converse of Pythagoras theorem. So dear students, as we have read in Pythagoras theorem in theorem 6.8, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So दोस्तों, इस थ्योरम को और इसकी कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, दोनों थ्योरम को very wisely with you just revise it properly, so that if you are getting this theorem to prove there in your question paper, you can solve it easily, right? So to prove the Pythagoras theorem, हमने सिमिलैरिटी के कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज किया, एंड इन द थ्योरम 6.7 we got 3 results based on this figure, right? In this question, just see what is given in the figure. Angle ACB is equals to 90 degree. In this figure, angle ACB means this angle is equals to 90 degree. It is 90 given. This angle ACB is equals to 90 degree. It means this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. और आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में भी यही राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, या फिर उसके ठीक पहले के थ्योरम 6.7 में आपको सेम राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल मिला था. एंड फ्रॉम दिस राइट एंगल यू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर ऑन द हाइपोटेनस AC. बट वहाँ पे वर्टेक्स चेंज थे, यहाँ पे वर्टेक्स चेंज्ड हैं. तो जैसे ही वर्टेक्स चेंज हुआ, अकॉर्डिंगली हम फॉर्मूला भी चेंज कर लेंगे, राइट फ्रेंड्स? ओके, सो लेट अस सी the proof that what is given here. CD is perpendicular on AB. This CD is perpendicular on the hypotenuse AB, right? Then we are going to prove that BC square upon AC square, this BC square upon AC square, as हमने आपको ये भी explain किया था, this BC square is the geometric mean of BD upon AB. वहाँ पे vertex change था, ठीक है? तो according to change के अकॉर्डिंग हम यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला भी चेंज कर लेंगे. एंड हमने इसका भी स्क्वायर बताया था. दिस AC इज द ज्योमेट्रिक मीन ऑफ AD इंटू AD एंड AB बताया था ना. सो AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू AD इंटू AB एंड BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू BD इंटू AB. तो इसको फिर से प्रूव करते हैं यहाँ पे और अपने इस रिजल्ट पे आने का प्रयास करते हैं. सो लेट अस सी. So first of all, you have to compare this small triangle with the bigger one and prove these two triangles are similar. Okay, so let us see the solution of this question. Okay friends, dear students, you just keep it in mind, you just take the proper practice so that you can get the Pythagoras theorem and कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. जो दोनों थ्योरम को मैंने बताया, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो यू हैव टू टेक द प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिस. ओके, नाउ इन दिस एग्जाम्पल वी आर गोइंग टू फ्रॉम द फिगर इन ट्रायंगल्स वी आर टेकिंग इन ट्रायंगल ACD एंड ट्रायंगल ABC. ये कंपेयर करते हैं. कौन से दो ट्रायंगल? ACD, दिस स्मॉलर वन, एंड ABC को कंपेयर करते हैं. इन दिस एंगल A इज कॉमन इन बोथ. सो एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल A, दे आर कॉमन एंगल. राइट फ्रेंड्स, एज एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल A in both the triangle. Now angle D of this triangle means angle ADC is equals to angle ACB of this triangle. So they are 90 degree each. Right friends, if they are 90 degree each means two angles, corresponding angle of both the triangles are similar, so that you can see that triangle, therefore triangle A DC is similar to triangle ACB. ACB by angle similarity. तो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग समझ में आया बेटा आपको? अगर कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग समझ में आ गया होगा सो नो प्रॉब्लम. ए हमने लिया, ए इज इक्वल्स टू ए, डी इज 90 डिग्री तो सी इसका 90 डिग्री है. देयरफॉर सी विल बी इक्वल्स टू बी. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. नाउ as these two are similar triangles, so their corresponding sides will be in same ratio, means AD upon AC equals to DC upon CB equals to AC upon AB. Right friends? So now in this we have to take this first fraction and second fraction. इसका रीजन क्या लिखेंगे? They are corresponding sides of similar triangle. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Understood? Are only corresponding sides you can write. So corresponding sides are proportional. So after taking these two fractions, we will get, after cross multiplying, means AD upon AC equals to AC upon AB. So let us cross multiply. We will get AC square is equals to AD into AB. Say it is equation number 1. Right? यहाँ तक concept clear हुआ बच्चों? Okay. If this is the clear, then you need to take the second triangle and compare from the bigger one. दूसरा ट्रायंगल लेते हैं और बड़े ट्रायंगल ABC से उसको कंपेयर करते हैं. सो देखते हैं. सो इन ट्रायंगल BDC, now we are taking in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. This we are taking, right? BDC and ABC, इन दोनों में कौन सा एंगल कॉमन है? एंगल B इज कॉमन. सो यू कैन राइट एंगल B इक्वल्स टू एंगल B. वाई? दे आर कॉमन एंगल्स, राइट? एंगल B is common in this and angle B is common in this, and angle, which angles are 90 degree in both? So in BDC angle D is common, 90 degree, means angle BDC is equals to angle BCA. They are 90 degree each. Right? Now two angles are equal. If two angles are equal, so therefore triangles are similar by angle similarity. So that you can write, therefore triangle BDC is similar to triangle BCA, right? By angle similarity. Angle similarity. Right friends? Okay, if they are similar, it means their corresponding sides must be in proportion. Therefore BC upon BD, first you just take BD upon BC equals to BD upon BC equals to BC upon AB. BC upon AB. Okay, now let us cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you will get BC square is equals to AB into BD. Okay, say it is equation number 2. Okay friends, so what is the reason of this? They are corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are corresponding sides, right? Okay, now we are going to find out BC square upon AC square, means divide second equation by first equation, you will get your result. So divide equation second, divide equation second from equation first we get, right? चलो सेकेंड को फर्स्ट से डिवाइड करते हैं. सो बी सी स्क्वेयर अपॉन ए सी स्क्वेयर, बी सी स्क्वेयर अपॉन ए सी स्क्वेयर equals to, now substitute the value of BC is AB into BD, BC square की value AB into BD divided by value of AC square, and the value of AC square is AD into AB, AD into AB. So what is the common? AB is common, can be cancelled, so you got the result BD upon AD is equals to, this is BC square upon AC square, right friends? So I think हमने अपना रिजल्ट प्रूव किया. BC square upon AC square is equals to BD upon AD, BC square upon AC square is equals to BD upon AD. Is there any confusion? Right? So you just write the explanation in very neat and clean manner. Okay friends, see the example number 11. A ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall and its top reaches a window of 6 meter above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. So let AB be the ladder and we are going to find out the length of this ladder, right? And CA be the wall where window is at point A, means at this point A there is a window at the wall, this is wall, and 6 meter above there is a window, right? Afterwards this foot of the ladder, means point B, is 2.5 meter away from the wall, 2.5 meter away from the wall. Now students, first you need to write down all the information in the solution. Let AB be the wall, AB be the ladder, AB be the ladder, and AC and CA be the wall with window at point A, be the wall with window at point A, window at A, right? So this, the length of wall to the window is 6 meter, so that what is given, AC is equals to 6 meter and BC is equals to 2.5 meter, right friends? Now as you know that wall is standing on the ground vertically, means making right angle triangle, it means this angle is 90 degree. Wall is standing vertically perpendicular to the ground, so it means we are getting a right angle triangle. Therefore triangle ABC is a right triangle and angle C is equals to 90 degree. Okay, now if angle C is 90 degree, so which one is the hypotenuse? This length of ladder is the hypotenuse, and this we are going to find out. The length of this ladder AB we are going to find out. So by Pythagoras theorem you know that, therefore by Pythagoras you have read, by Pythagoras square of hypotenuse means AB square equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. It means AC square plus BC square. From this equation we can find the length of ladder, which is AB, very easily. Okay, let us substitute the value of AC. So AC is 6 square of 6 plus BC is 2.5 square of this. 6 6 are 36 plus this square of 2.5 is 6.25. Now add it, we will get 42.25 is the value of AB square. Now we are going to find out the value of AB. So AB can be written as square root of 42.25, right? And the square root of 42.25, you just see how to get the square root of 42.25, right friends? So see the method. Square root of 42.25, right? So take the first two letter before the decimal, and it is 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 42, which is greater than this 42. 7 7 are 49, so we need to take 6. 6 6 are 42, 6 6 are 36. Now 6 is remaining, decimal 2 5 you can take, and 6 you add in this, you will get 12, right? So you will get 5 5 are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 1s are 5, 1 6. So when you subtract, you will get 0. So the length of AB is equals to 6.5 meter, means AB is 6.5 meter, therefore the length of ladder is 6.5 meter. So your answer is the length of ladder B is 6.5 meter, right friends? So easily you can get it. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन था, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं होगी. और यहाँ पे हमने आपको इसका स्क्वायर रूट भी फाइंड करना सिखा दिया. तो दोज हु आर हैविंग द डाउट्स, दे कैन टेक द square with this method of any other numbers also. See friends, this example number 12, in this it is given in the figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, if AD is perpendicular to BC, prove that AB square plus CD square is equals to BD square plus AC square. Means this is your figure, triangle ABC, this line segment AD is perpendicular on the side BC. So as you have drawn this AD, so you will get two right triangles in this. So therefore, as you are getting two right triangles, so we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem in this to prove. See the solution of this, right friends? Since AD is perpendicular on BC, okay, therefore triangle ADC is right triangle. Triangle ADC is a right triangle. Right triangle in which angle ADC equals to 90 degree. Okay. Now as ADC is 90 degree, so by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras we can say that AC square, square of hypotenuse, equals to AD square plus DC square. Is it? AC square equals to AD square plus DC square, means square of hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse of this right triangle, square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of this plus this, means AD and DC. Okay, Say this is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Similarly, triangle ADB is also a right triangle, and triangle ADB is also right, in which angle ADB is equals to 90 degree. If this is 90, so again we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, and in this, what is hypotenuse? You can say hypotenuse is AB, just opposite side of angle, right angle is AB. So AB square equals to AD square plus DB square. DB square, say it is equation number 2. Understood? Any confusion? Now let us subtract both the equation from equation first to second. We have to subtract it. हम क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट से सेकंड को या सेकंड को फर्स्ट से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो राइट फर्स्ट इक्वेशन जस्ट बिलो इट. AC square equals to AD square plus DC square. Okay friends, it is equation number 1. Now what we are going to do, we are going to subtract, right? In the case of subtraction, the sign will be changed. Is it? If the sign changed, so AD is cancelled, AD square. So what are you getting? AB square minus AC square equals to DB square or BD square minus DC square. Is it? Now take this, transpose this AC square to the right side and DC square to the left side you have to bring. So you will get AB square plus DC square equals to BD square plus AC square. And I think this is we are going to prove. AB square plus DC square can also be written as CD square equals to BD square plus AC square, which is our required proof. So it is proved, friends. Okay, इजी था और इजीली हमने इसको प्रूव किया पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सी द example number 13. In this it is given BL and CM are the medians of this triangle ABC. BL and CM are medians of triangle ABC, which is right angle at point A. This angle is right angle, means 90 degree. If it is right angle, if this angle is right angle and this side BL is median and CM is also median, right? So after drawing this BL and CM as medians, so how many right triangles you are getting here? You are getting 3 right triangles. First one is the ABC. ये बड़ा वाला right triangle at point A is 90 degree. Then second right triangle is ACM and third right triangle is BAL. So as we are getting 3 right triangles, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem 3 times easily. Understood? Okay. Now as BL and CM are the medians, so as you know the definition of the median, in the definition of the median, it means BL is median, therefore this point L is the midpoint of AC. L is the midpoint of AC. Understood? And CM is also median, it means this point M is midpoint of AB. Therefore MB is equals to MA. Clear? बात सुन माई? Okay. So let us see, and in all 3 right triangles we need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So see the solution and we are going to prove that thing. Okay. So in the solution of this question, As it is given, triangle ABC is right angle at point A. Okay. So in triangle ABC, right angle at A, angle A is equals to 90 degree. As BL and CM are the medians, BL and CM means chief minister मत समझिएगा, CM is the name of a line segment over here. Okay, so CM are the medians, so this medians gives you few results also. Okay, means हमने अभी क्या आपको बताया कि L AC का मिड पॉइंट है, L is the midpoint of AC, it means AL is equals to half of AC, या फिर AC is equals to 2 times of AL. Same as M is the midpoint of AB, it means AM is equals to half of AB, या फिर AB is equals to twice of AM. Understood? Okay. Now we are getting 3 right triangles in this. So first we are taking the bigger one in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, right angle at A. So which one is hypotenuse in this? Hypotenuse is BC. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. Say it is equation number 1. Or why you have written? By Pythagoras theorem या theorem 7.8. Pythagoras theorem. Understood? Okay. Now take another right triangle. In triangle, next right triangle, in triangle BAL you can take. What? BAL. In triangle BAL, इसमें भी एंगल ए 90 डिग्री है. ओके, सो हाइपोटेनस इसका क्या होगा? BAL, so its hypotenuse is BL. So by Pythagoras theorem, BL square is equals to, therefore BL square is equals to AB square plus AL square. Say it is equation number 2, and with same theorem 7.8 means Pythagoras theorem. Sorry, not 7.8, 6.8. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Or at the place of this you can write Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है, Pythagoras theorem भी लिख सकते हो आप. Right. Now third right triangle is which one? ACM is right triangle. ACM is also right triangle. और इसका hypotenuse क्या होगा? CM is the hypotenuse. Right? So in triangle ACM, right angle is 90 degree. Right? So apply Pythagoras theorem, same. So what you will get? CM square is equals to square of hypotenuse is equals to AM square plus AC square. Say it is equation number 3, right, by Pythagoras. Okay, अगर आपको ये नहीं समझ में आता है तो इसके प्लेस पे आप पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लिख सकते हैं. Right, at the place of this also you can write Pythagoras. Right, at the place of this also you can write Pythagoras. They all are same. Okay, now as in the proof we are going to find out the value of BL square plus CM square. तो क्या करते, just see in which equation BL and CM are, second and third it is. तो क्या करो, दोनों इक्वेशन को ऐड कर दो. Adding equation 2 and 3. Let us see what we are getting. Adding equation 2 and 3. Adding equation 2 and 3. we get. Right? ऐड करते, so BL square plus CM square equals to BL square plus CM square. तो राइट साइड भी ऐड कर लेते, AB square plus AL square plus AM square plus AC square. AC square. Okay, any confusion? If you are getting any confusion, you can ask the question. Understood? Okay. Now let us think about the right side. अभी right side पे हमें total fully concentrate करना है, right? And let us think what we can do in this side. AB square, AB is where? AB is this side. इसमें तो हम कोई changing नहीं कर सकते. But can you convert AL? AL is this one. Can you convert AL in terms of AC? So हमने आपको बताया पहले ही क्या L AC का मिड पॉइंट है. So since L is the midpoint of AC, it means AL is equals to half of AC, you can write. Okay, so therefore AB square will be same as AL के प्लेस पे आप half of AC लिख सकते हैं, AC by 2 whole square plus third term is coming AM. AM is this. So what can you write about AM? AM, you know that M is the midpoint of AB. So same as AM is half of AB also. So at the place of AM, we can write half of AB and square of this plus AC square. Okay? Any confusion? Reason लिख दीजिए इसका. Reason क्या लिखेंगे? AL is equals to half of AC, AM is equals to half of BC. Since AL is equals to half of AC, AC by 2, and AM is equals to AB by 2, AM equals to AB by 2. This is the reason. Okay, अभी हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. So this is AB square और इसके साथ आप क्या लिखोगे? Square of this will be AB square upon 4 plus AC square, and with this you just write AC square upon 4, right? When you add these two, you will get 5 AB square upon 4 plus it can be written as 5 AC square upon 4. So 5 you can take common from both, 5 by 4, you will get AB square plus AC square. Is it? चलो अभी आपको क्या मिला? BL square plus CM square is equals to, okay, since हमें ये मिला BL square plus CM square equals to 5 by 4 AB square plus AC square. 5 by 4 AB square plus AC square. Okay. Now AB square plus AC square from equation first, you can write it as equals to BC square. So at the place of AB square plus BC square, we can write BC square. Okay. So therefore we are getting BL square plus CM square equals to 5 by 4 BC square from equation first, right? From equation first we have written. Now 4 is divided over here, you can cross multiply, it will be multiplied to the left side. So 4 multiplied by BL square plus CM square equals to 5 BC square. Right friends? So I think हमें हमारा result मिल गया है। 4 multiplied by BL square plus CM square is equals to 5 BC square, which is proved, that is required thing जो हम प्रूव करने जा रहे थे। See the last example of this one, example number 14. In this it is given O is a point inside the rectangle ABCD. So ABCD is a rectangle and O is any point which is lying inside this rectangle. Then prove that OB square plus OD square equals to OA square plus OC square. This we are going to prove it. Okay, so let us see the proof of this question. Okay friends, so first of all, to prove this we need to draw a construction, draw a line segment PQ which is parallel to BC. So since ABCD is a rectangle, so पहले से ही आपका BC AD के पैरेलल है। रेक्टेंगल क्या होता है, इसके अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होते हैं। हमने ये PQ कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जो BC के पैरेलल है, तो ये AD के भी पैरेलल होगा, और ये AD के पैरेलल होगा तो दिस PB विल बी इक्वल्स टू QC and this QD will be equals to AP. Are you getting the meaning of this? Okay, so let us see the solution of this question. What is given as O is a point inside this rectangle, तो हम क्या किया, OA, OB, OC and OD सभी को क्या किया, ज्वाइन कर दिया, right? So we need to draw, first of all, to prove this you have to draw line segment PQ such that this PQ is parallel to BC. If PQ is parallel to BC, as you know that rectangle, all four angles are right angle. Angle B is right angle, so angle this one will be also right triangle. It is they all are right triangle. ये सभी right triangle होंगे, right angle होंगे. Understood? Okay. As they are right triangle, so since angle B is equals to 90, angle C is equals to 90, so therefore these angles are also 90 degree. It means therefore angle OPB equals to angle OPA equals to angle OQC equals to angle OQD. They all are 90 degree. 90 क्यों होंगे, क्योंकि ये PQ इस BC के पैरेलल है और एंगल B क्या है, 90 डिग्री। एज ये किसका एंगल है, रेक्टेंगल का, तो ये भी 90 होगा, ये भी एक रेक्टेंगल ही फॉर्म करेगा। ओके, चलो नाउ इन ट्रायंगल OPB we just apply the Pythagoras theorem. In which triangle? OPB. So in triangle, in right triangle OPB, right angle कौन सा, angle B, angle P is right angle in this. So apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get what you will get, OB square is equals to, OB is the hypotenuse in this, equals to OP square plus OB square is equals to OP square plus PB square and say it is equation number 1. और कैसे आया ये, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by theorem 6.8. okay, take the next triangle. Next triangle means which one, OQD. In right triangle OQD लेते हैं, D लेते हैं, इसमें भी एंगल क्यों 90 डिग्री है? सो हाइपोटेनस इज OD, देयरफॉर OD स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू OQ स्क्वायर प्लस QD स्क्वायर. So it is equation number 2. How? By Pythagoras theorem. सभी राइट ट्रायंगल में पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ही अप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम. ओके, नाउ टेक द नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगल OA एंड P लेते हैं अभी. राइट, इन राइट ट्रायंगल OAP, राइट ट्रायंगल OAP, OAP. In this we are applying the Pythagoras theorem, so we will get OA square equals to AP square plus OP square, AP square plus OP square. Okay, so it is equation number 3. ये सभी equations पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से ही आ रहे हैं. अंडरस्टूड. अभी एक ये ट्रायंगल, राइट ट्रायंगल बच रहा है. दिस इज OQC. ओके, सो इन राइट ट्रायंगल OQC, ओके, इन राइट ट्रायंगल OQC, राइट, अप्लाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सो यू विल गेट OC स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू OQ square plus QC square, OQ square plus QC square. So it is equation number 4. Right friends, any confusion? Okay, now what you need to do, now you have to add equation first and second, as you are going to get OB square plus OD square, the value of. Okay, तो दोनों equation first और second को add कर लेते हैं. Right, so therefore adding equation first and second, adding equation first and second, we get, right, what you will get, OB square plus OD square equals to OB square is this प्लस OD स्क्वायर इज दिस. मीन्स लेफ्ट साइड हमने ऐड कर लिया. अभी राइट साइड सभी लिख लो. OP स्क्वायर प्लस PB स्क्वायर प्लस OQ स्क्वायर प्लस QD स्क्वायर square. Right friends, now let us think in this right side of this equation. जो हमें equation मिला इसके right side पे think करते हैं जरा. We have to think what we can do the changing. OP is where? OP is this. OP you cannot change क्योंकि OP का कोई alternate नहीं है आपके पास. Okay, but PB, let us think. PB, this PB is this PP equals to QC. Can you write at the place of PB is QC? So at this OP you cannot change, so we have to write OP square plus PB is equals to QC square plus OQ. Let us think. OQ you also cannot change OQ, but so OQ we have to write same as plus QD is this one, and this QD can be written as AP. So at the place of QD we can write AP square. Reason क्या क्या लिखा, that we need to write it. So since what we have done, PB is equals to QC, PB equals to QC, and QD is equals to AP we have written. QD equals to AP we have written. PB is equals to QC. This PB is equals to QC. And QD is equals to AP. QD के प्लेस पे हमने क्या लिखा? AP लिखा है. Right? Now, let us write down this equation. OB square plus OD square is equals to, therefore OB square plus OD square equals to, this is OP square, and at the place of with the OP you just write AP, OP square plus AP square, OP square प्लस AP स्क्वायर, ये दोनों एक साथ लिखे, OP स्क्वायर प्लस AP स्क्वायर, एंड दिस QC स्क्वायर प्लस OQ स्क्वायर प्लस QC स्क्वायर प्लस OQ स्क्वायर, OQ स्क्वायर, ये दोनों एक साथ लिखा, राइट, दिस वन. नाउ टेकिंग दिस पेयर OP स्क्वायर प्लस AP स्क्वायर and QC square plus OQ square. Let us think. OP square plus AP square, OP square plus AP square means from third we can write this is OA square. So at the, therefore what you are getting, OB square plus OD square equals to OP square plus AP square. So OP square plus AP square is equals to OA square from equation third, OA square plus QC square plus OQ square can be written as OC square, OC square. Reason from equation third and fourth we got it. और हमें लगता है कि हमारा रिजल्ट प्रूव हो गया, राइट. सो दीज 4 इक्वेशंस बाय विच थ्योरम यू गॉट, बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम you need to keep it in your mind, write these examples in your notebook and revise it properly.